Hey guys, welcome back. Another episode here. Mike here. Hot day, very muggy where I am, middle of the summer in August here, 2020, and I am got the trader bug again. Before I started my channel up, I used to go on the used places like Kijiji or eBay, and I used to trade with the local people in my town or city, and now that I've made that trade with the drag car, it's kind of rekindled my trading experience, and I've been making a lot of good ones. And here we got the newest acquisition, the Traxxas Trx4 with the Defender style body on it. It's a real cool RC. It got it bound to my RC4GS radio. This thing has lots of LEDs. The body's kind of beat up a bit. I'll just show you what's going on inside. It's got the big Titan 21 turn 550 motor in it, and that's my radio link. Has the cool locking tray in it over there. Hope you guys can see all this. It's got the XL5 system, can do 2-3S, and I can switch between high and low gear. I like to leave it in high. Also can lock the differentials on it, but that is disconnected at the moment because that's the way I got it. But it's no big deal to redo it. You just remount the servos and you can lock the diffs. Pretty cool that with that. Use some Velcro in the back to mount the body pins in the front, and it's hard to see, but if you get in here, look here, we got the brass upgrades. So this thing weighs a lot heavier than stock, so that's a nice little upgrade. Cool truck, got the Land Rover mud flaps on it. All in all, cool stuff. Big Defender front bumper on, missing the looper there, probably for the winching, but I'm not too concerned about that. When you do trades, it's hard to get something that's pristine all the time, but I thought I'd give you guys a show. Body's pretty good shape. Got the fender flare outs and stuff. I have it has LED headlights and a light bar, and they are super bright. So I'm going to show you guys how this all works, and we're going to take her out for a spin. There she goes, and it's got some axial ripsaw tires on them, so it has some soft tires. I would consider putting on some bigger tires on this thing, but this will definitely suffice. Now I've monkeyed around a bit with the steering, and this is running on 2S. The steering on it is pretty good, but I would like sharper steering so I could do tighter turns. It also has LEDs in the back. Guys, you gotta check out that light bar in the front. Hopefully you can see that. That is super bright. Now it's a bit cloudy. Storms are blowing in here. There is some sun peeking through every now and then, but that light is super bright. You don't even want to stare at it because it'll hurt your eyes. But the truck can boogie pretty good, and she is definitely crawler capable for sure. Now it's got the big metal bumper on the front. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I like kind of like the loop one, and not protecting the tire so much, because then that kind of lets you get over some bigger items. Like there, I can't even climb up the curb because the bumper's in the way. But I got some rocks over here. Let's see, as you can see how this thing goes. It just soaks up the train, no problem. It's a cool little truck. Nice stuff there. We'll go over this tree root coming up here. No issues. Just going nice and slow to show you guys. Lots of cool things. Sink and boot. I'd hate to see how fast it could go in 3S. I don't know why you want to go any faster than it's going. Let's take this in the backyard quick. That's pretty impressive there, guys. Went right up those stone steps through the sand and right outside the sandbox. Pretty cool. I just want to show you low speed mode. There it is. So this thing's pretty impressive overall, and yeah, Traxxas Trx4, trading in my race vehicles and heading with stuff that me and my whole family can use. And we're definitely going to be hitting some trails with the crawlers and the trail trucks. I'm looking forward to doing that. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, of course, get notifications of new videos. So I'll end it for now, and we'll hope to catch you on the next one. Peace out.